In this video, we compare HS360S GPS Drone and Avata Explorer Drone combo. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The HS360S GPS Drone by Holy Stone is an extremely lightweight and compact model, weighing less than 250 grams, thus eliminating the need for FAA or remote ID registration in the United States. Equipped with a 1/3 print CMOS GalaxyCore Sensor and a 4K 85-degree wide-angle camera, the drone can capture stunning 3840 by 2160p photos and 4K videos, offering an exciting new perspective for your creativity. The drone features advanced connection technology that allows you to connect your smartphone to the controller using just one data cable, providing real-time image streaming without the need for Wi-Fi. The HS360S has an impressive control range of up to 10,000 feet, thanks to Holy Stone's advanced intelligent control system, and its modular battery supports 20 minutes of flight time. The drone's precise GPS positioning ensures stable flight and a safe return home function, allowing the drone to find its way back to you when the battery runs low or the connection breaks up. The HS360S drone is user-friendly with the latest Holy Stone intelligent control system, offering beginner mode and optical flow positioning to help novices practice drone control skills. The DJI Avata Explorer Drone combo provides an immersive flight experience with its integrated wearing design and the inclusion of DJI goggles Integra and DJI RC Motion 2. The drone features an upgraded camera system, offering ultra-smooth 4K footage with a 1.7-inch sensor and a super-wide 155 degrees FOV, providing next-level imagery. Despite its compact palm-sized design, the Avata is capable of agile maneuvers, making it ideal for adventures. The Avata drone offers an impressive 18-minute flight time and enhanced safety with a built-in propeller guard, allowing it to handle minor contact and continue flying. The drone is backed by DJI O3+ video transmission, providing a sharp and responsive HD live feed at distances of up to 10 kilometers. The Avata Explorer combo is compliant with FAA remote ID rules, making it a reliable and legal choice for drone enthusiasts. The HS360S GPS Drone by Holy Stone and the DJI Avata Explorer Drone combo are both impressive drones, each with unique features that cater to different user needs. The HS360S stands out with its extremely lightweight and compact design, making it exempt from FAA or remote ID registration. This can be an advantage for those who prioritize portability and ease of use. Its 1/3 CMOS GalaxyCore Sensor and 4K 85 degrees wide-angle camera allow for high-quality image capture, and its advanced connection technology offers real-time image streaming without the need for Wi-Fi. On the other hand, the DJI Avata Explorer Drone combo provides an immersive flight experience with its integrated wearing design and DJI goggles Integra. Its 1.7-inch sensor and a super-wide 155-degree FOV provide a wider field of view for capturing images. Despite its compact size, the Avata is capable of agile maneuvers, making it ideal for adventurous users. It also offers an 18-minute flight time and enhanced safety with a built-in propeller guard. Both drones have a control range of up to 10,000 feet, but the HS360S offers a slightly longer flight time of 20 minutes compared to the Avata's 18 minutes. The HS360S also has user-friendly features like beginner mode and optical flow positioning, which can be helpful for novices. Meanwhile, the Avata is compliant with FAA remote ID rules, making it a reliable and legal choice for drone enthusiasts. In conclusion, both the HS360S and Avata are excellent choices, each with their own strengths. The HS360S would be a good choice for beginners or those looking for a lightweight, user-friendly drone with high-quality image capture. The Avata, with its immersive flight experience and agile maneuvers, would be more suitable for experienced users or those seeking adventure. The choice ultimately depends on the individual's specific needs and preferences.